and welcome to the Jazz Piano Academy's Piano Blues Workshop, lesson number 2. I'm Gary Johnston, founder of Jazz Piano Academy, and I'll be leading you through this exciting beginning into the world of blues and jazz piano. So before we go any further, please pause this video and download the free Piano Blues Resource Kit via the link in the description below. This kit contains all the material you need to get started and to follow along in the video series. While being able to read music is an asset, it's not necessary. All of what we cover can be learned by following along. I'll be combining the 3 T's, theory, technique, and tunes throughout the video series so that you'll have a firm grasp of the concepts presented each step of the way. So let's begin. All music is composed of 3 fundamentals, and the blues is no exception. In no particular order, we have form, harmony, and melody. This video will focus on harmony, the chords used to play the blues. So please refer to your Piano Blues Resource Kit and the sheet headed 12-bar blues progression. On it, you'll see 12 bars, also called measures, of 4/4 time with the Roman numerals 1, 4, and 5. They all have a little superscript 7, and that tells us these are dominant 7th chords. This is an outline of the harmony or the chords necessary to play 12-bar blues. So what does it all mean? Well, if I play a C scale, and I number each note, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the notes that make up the key of C. Using the notes of that scale, I can build 3-note chords called triads on each note. For instance, that's a C chord. It's also called the 1 chord because it's built on the first note of the scale. Now, today we'll be focusing only on the chords built on the 1st, 4th, and 5th notes of the scale. So we have, as I've already said, the C chord, or the 1 chord because it's based on the first note of the scale. Then we're going to look at the 4 chord, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is an F triad. We'll go up 1 more to the 5th, and there's G. These chords are all major. When playing the blues, we add the flat 7th note, so we count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, flatten it, and form a dominant 7th chord. So let's listen. Here is what the progression sounds like over the 12-bar form. Sounds great already, am I right? So please leave comments, like and share the video, and subscribe to my channel to learn more about piano blues. My next video will focus on melody and the notes of the blues scale. See you there.